Hey everybody, it's time for the media preview day for the LEGO Movie World. So let's go in and check it out.
My name is Sean Mikas. I am the head of public relations here at LEGOLAND Florida Resort, and I am so proud to have everybody here with us today. We are so excited to open this world. It's been a long time coming, and as you can see, it's completely different from everything else in the park. It's immersive. You feel like you're in Bricksburg. And if you go home and say, hey, I was a LEGO minifigure today, it's probably true. So just to give you a little bit of lay of the land before we start, over here we have Unikitty's Disco Drop. It's a nice tower ride. You're gonna bounce up to Cloud Cuckoo Land, spin, bounce, sing, dance, and then fall to the ground in a nice slow frenzy. Nice, fun, thrilling ride. Behind us, in the big dog theater behind me, we have the LEGO Movie Masters of Flight. This is our marquee attraction here at the LEGO Movie World. So it's a flying theater attraction. You're gonna fly on Emmett's triple-decker couch through all the LEGO lands and all the LEGO characters. Might be a few surprises along the way, but what else do you expect from LEGO? On the back one here, we have Battle of Bricksburg. It's our water ride. It says you may get soaked. I think you will get soaked. It's a great ride all the way through. You have to save Bricksburg from the evil Duplo aliens by spraying water at the bullseyes. Back here we have Taco Everyday. Not just Tuesdays, taco every day.
Oh, Unikitty. Unikitty is enjoying this. Uh-oh. Yep, now she's happy again. Oh, crazy. Uh-oh, she's getting a little sick. Oh boy, doesn't look good for Unikitty. Now she's angry. Oh, she's happy again.
Just making sure you're safe.
Yep. I would like you to do that. Okay guys, so you may or may not know that I have an extreme fear of heights, but you guys are going to be really upset if I don't go on the Unikitty disco drop. So, that's reassuring. I'm doing it for you guys. Oh, okay, that went how fast. Ooh, I wish you guys could see this part. That's an awesome POV of the park. Whoa! Okay. Whoa. Ooh, I can see the rest of the park. Oh, my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. There's the dragon coaster. Oh! Woo! Okay. 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 Unikitty, oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Okay, oh! Oh! Okay, bouncing around a lot. Woo! You really got a really cool view. Oh my gosh! Up the park up there though. And I can see the feature key. Oh! Oh, maybe they're right. This isn't so bad. Oh! Oh my gosh, okay. This is pretty awesome. Okay, definitely recommend this ride. Oh! Sudden drops, but they're pretty smooth though. Say proud of me? Yeah, this is really cool. I had to do it today because the grand opening tomorrow will have early access, but we won't have the POV ride cameras. So, I survived. Where's my shirt? This is really awesome. I know that word gets used a lot around here, but oh my gosh, where'd you go? I'm here with
Jillian Smith with LEGOLAND Florida Resort.
All right, so can you tell me a little bit about the Battle of Bricksburg?
Yeah, so the Battle of Bricksburg is one of our 3 major attractions here at the LEGO Movie World, and the Duplo aliens have taken over Bricksburg. Woo! So you can ride on one of the boats here, and you can shoot at different targets and shoot at the aliens, and even shoot at some of the bystanders here and spray them all with water. You've got to save Bricksburg from the aliens.
Sounds like fun. Now, what has been upgraded and changed from the previous attraction?
So this is the only thing that was really here before. Previously it was Chima, and it is now the Battle of Bricksburg. So, and again, all new theming, everything, but it's really part of the larger Lego Movie World that you have here, and all new rides and attractions. We've got Unikitty's Disco Drop. We've got the Lego Movie Masters of Flight, which is the only kind of flying theater like this in the world. Nice. So, and you get to fly through Cloud Cuckoo Land and lots of other areas. It's fantastic. That was
fun. I just went on that, and I like the subtlety of the 4D effects. I'm not going to spoil them, but it's not so in your face as some of them can be, which is nice. And with very first time I came to Legoland, I tried to ride the previous attraction. Unfortunately, I've already gone to the water park and changed. And I was like, well, my friend are like, well, we're going to do that next time. We came back next time, and ooh, it was closed. But luckily, I'll get to experience something even awesomer.
This is, I mean, everything here is awesome. It engages all of your senses, as you were saying, a lot of 4D effects on this ride, but the sights, the smells, the sound, everything that you've got here is awesomer, as we like to say, or as Emmett likes to say. So come visit the Lego Movie World.
And I will be checking out those tacos in a little bit. Luckily, it is Tuesday, but it doesn't matter because
it's taco every day. You don't just have to enjoy tacos on Taco Tuesday. You can have tacos every day. And we've got Unikitty-inspired tacos, lots of other made-to-order fresh ingredients. They're fantastic.
Now, is there any specific merchandise in this area that you can't find the rest of the park?
Yeah, so if you head over to the Awesome Shop over here, it says the Awesome Shop with super cool stuff. You'll see a lot of amazing things, a lot of Lego Movie 2 inspired items. Of course, there's a lot of Lego toys in there too that you're going to find, but even some unique characters and other things that I think will delight everyone in the whole family.
It is really awesome, and like I said, there's a lot of exclusive merchandise you can only get here in Legoland, and it's even more exclusiver.
I guess you could say that, yes.
Here in the Lego Movie World. Thank you.
Thank you.
And here is the entrance to the Masters of Flight. Here's a look at the queue for that attraction. Nice. You see they have a Lego play area in the middle. And there's another view of that Lego build area. While you wait in line, there's a whole bunch of Lego trivia, which is pretty cool. Check this out too. There's a wall of Legos which you can build. This looks pretty cool. Now I'm going to be able to ride this with a in-ride camera, so you'll see my reactions. It's going to be awesome. Some more awesome Lego stuff. Of course, the further you walk in the line, the more opportunities to play with Legos. It's pretty cool. Here's where you go to wait for the theater, flying theater. The wait is almost over. Now you can actually see the screens. Here we go. This would be pretty awesome. First thing you'll notice about this ride is you don't put on glasses. Here we go. Oh, and I also think that the seats are air conditioned because
please be aware that we are about to present the triple-decker flying couch for the first time to an assembly of master builders. They may be unable to control their excitement. Fellow master builders, I present to you my latest invention, the triple-decker flying couch. Is everyone ready? Let the competition begin.
Whoa.
I should point out this is my first time flying. Whoa! Also, this will be the first time this vehicle has been tested in flight, so there may be some deterrents.
Okay.
Oh, sorry! Have you ever tried moving a couch? Try flying one. Oh, my bad. Sorry about that. Let's try this.
Now, one of the first things you'll notice out here is that there's a strong smell of candy.
And we're quality.
I'm not sure exactly what flavor that is, what type of candy, but it's very noticeable. They're like
Unikitty, the
licorice maybe. And well, you're flying through a lot of colorful Legos. And
we're eating a lot of cuckoo ants. Oh, this is bad.
wow, this place is crazy.
Laser cannons instead of more cup holders. Hang on.
Oh, okay, we're now in an area with lots of trees. Whoa, going down, dragons. Middle ceiling. Now there's a strong smell of pine trees, which is really cool.
What king? Oh, there you go.
Whoa, okay, now we're in lava? Oh, underwater. And there's a fine mist.
Green peaceful
Just
set.
enough to get you that 4D effect, a fine mist that sprays because we're now flying over an ocean.
I know that guy. We be battling terrible enemies.
There's I'm pretty sure he just said, kids! And what's really cool is the ocean, there's little bricks of Legos that look like ocean waves. Now we're going into I'm not sure what this is. Space, I guess. Yeah.
Oh no, asteroid.
Okay.
We made it. Oh, that was the coolest thing I've ever seen. Oh no, too low.
All the stars are hanging on strings. Oh! It blew up.
This is a trajectory.
Here, take my hyperdrive. Let's get out of here.
Awesome, Betty.
Okay, we broke free of the. Oh! Okay, now there's a tunnel of Legos.
Why are we stopping?
And more water spray.
I think they're trying to help.
Oh.
Let's make it awesomer.
That Lego character just broke up Legos. Oh my gosh, we're gonna go. We just hit the sun.
We made it. That was awesome.
We have voted, and the winning invention is
Yes.
the triple-decker couch.
Yay!
Really? Everything is awesome.
Oh man.
Everything is
We
awesome.
also interrupt the singing of that song since we just managed to get it out of our heads.
Yes. That song does stick in your head.
Congratulations, Emmett. You did it.
We do it. Thanks for everything, Master Builders.
Oh, there's a
Your world
Lego
is
goes
you make it.
on a
Build
string.
something incredible.
Yeah, I can't put my finger on what. It's just a general candy smell. That was awesome. The 4D effects were really on point. The
When we come to a complete stop,
spray was
please
nice, but it
unlock
wasn't
the
like
seatbelt.
overbearing.
Hop off the seat and
It was just a
exit to the
nice
right
little
door.
mist.
And don't forget
And-
to pick up your belongings before
Yeah.
you go.
Definitely,
Goodbye for now.
definitely a cool attraction. Great addition to LEGOLAND Florida. Haven't tried. I'm going to try Battle of Bricksburg if it's still available. I brought a change of clothes because I'm going to get wet. So on to the rest of the video. You might remember from a video very recently that I only showed you this part because the rest of it is under construction. Well, obviously, I can show you the rest of it now. Look, it's the joke shop. This is Emmett's Super Suite, which is Emmett and friends meet and greet. But look at all the details in the window. And of course down there, tacos every day. So this is what's actually in the joke shop. It's a pretty cool photo op. Here's an Emmett for $24.99. Unikitty, also for $24.99. $7.99 gets you this cup. $12.99. This is a pretty cool water bottle. There's a cap in here, but this part unscrews as well to get ice in it, which is very helpful. I've had some bottles with small openings before, and well, it's really hard to get ice in it. $14.99 gets you some awesome sauce. Actually, quite a bit of awesome sauce. 9 ounces. And birthday every day? The birthday every day is $16.99. Here's an overview of the shop itself. I'm not going to show you every little bit of it, but there's some highlights. This looks like Claris, the dog cow from the early days of the Mac. Alright, well that's going to do it for the media preview of the LEGO Movie World. I will be back, as I mentioned, with Brian tomorrow for the grand opening, which will be awesome. And I'll finally get to ride the Battle of Bricksburg. You're wondering, why didn't you go on it when you had 4 hours here? I was waiting for ride video, POV videos, because they're not going to have those tomorrow for the grand opening, so priorities. But I will go on it. It will be awesome. I will be soaked, and I hopefully will remember my sandals. For now, thanks for watching this first video from the LEGO Movie World all the way through, and please exit through the gift shop, which is right over there. The awesome shop with super cool stuff. Hopefully I'll get to go on the Battle of Bricksburg before this preview closes, because it's taken a while to get on this ride, because I definitely wanted to get the ride mounted video, which is pretty awesome. I don't know how common this is in theme parks, but they gave me an SD card when I came in, micro SD card, and was able to, obviously shoot video, because usually you don't get in-ride video, but obviously they provided the GoPro and the camera. Not that I have a lack of GoPro cameras, but this way I don't have to worry about it. Just, they just hand them the card that they provided to put it in the camera, and obviously it's recording. So now I'm just trying to think of something good to say. Not too many people riding the Battle of Bricksburg right now. I'm gonna wait, but I am gonna ride it before I leave.